All right, guys, so it's kind of frustrating, but we got weather moving in, got rain for the next 3 days. It's just going to be a wet mess. So I decided to go ahead and take my traps up. And I just set this out yesterday, and check this out. I hadn't caught nothing in a long time, and now my last night out and catch a possum. So anyway, yeah, I've taken up my dog proofs. I think I'm going to clean them up a little bit, knock the rust off of them. I'm still having issues with mice stealing the bait. The reason I know it's mice is a coon can't reach in there and get that bait without setting it off. And I've caught a few mice, nothing but their butt sticking up in there. So anyway, that's what I'm doing today. I gotta go over to the other side of the refuge and pick up them traps, kind of depending on what's over there. I don't know if we'll have any more footage or not, but anyway, let me let this guy's spirit go, and I'll be talking at you in a little bit. Okay, guys, so I made it over here to the other side of the refuge here, pulling these traps up in preparation for the rain. And here's a deal that you get into sometime. You see that right there? Something through this trap, and I don't know what it is yet. But it looks like it could be rabbit, coon, or another mouse. So let me, here's my puller that I had made right here. Of course, I'm trying to do this stuff one-handed here, but it's pretty neat. Just square tubing with angle on the end for leverage. And then right back up here, I got just a chain and a wire hook or S hook. And let's just, let me see if we can pull it out of here. I don't know if I can do it sitting down. Yeah, there you go. Just pull her right up, disconnect it there, and there you got it. Alright, so I got the culprit, and just as I figured, a dang mouse. I tell you what, I got to get in the woods or something. I don't know. There are trails and trails all over out here, and you can see not big woods back behind it, but some, and grass everywhere. But there's trails everywhere too, everywhere you look, and some of them deer, of course, but you can tell the deer trails from the small critters. Let's go over here and see if we caught anything in that conibear. I hadn't checked it yet. Oh yeah. Golly. It produced. And it did what it's supposed to do. Actually, he got a pretty good ways across there. But another possum. Maybe I'll keep this one for my son-in-law. I told him I'd cook him one. I don't think I want to try it though. And anyway, there's a trail. See him? And I don't know. I think I've caught more mice than anything. So I don't know. I'm going to have to reevaluate my trapping locations or something, but you know, I'd like to, I got another spot in mind, but it's going to have to be after this weather moves out, and I'm going to get these DPs cleaned up a little bit, and I guess the springs are working in them good. That mouse set it off, but y'all know how this works. Here's the trigger right here. See that going up and down? But I'm sure you can't see inside. Maybe you can. See that shiny thing? That's the tip of the trigger. But deal is, your bait, you know, falls below the trigger there, and you squeeze this down, put this dog right here, right in that notch, right there, right in that notch, right where my fingernail is, and it holds it, you know. And then when the critter tries to get to the bait, well, you let them get some, you know, up above the trigger, but let them get on down, and they'll reach down behind it, and they'll pull that trigger up. And when they do, of course, it'll release a dog, which releases a spring, which holds their foot right there. Or, in this case, holds their head. But anyway, that's a good spot, and I'm going to come back to both these spots after the rain. It's already pretty messy back in here. You can see all these mud holes, and I just don't want to rut up the road anymore. But anyway, I'm going to finish up here, load up, and I'll talk at y'all later.